Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And of course, the theme still is, and it's going to be going forward, races, 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 guys. Look at Drug, won 14 races, okay? But just like yesterday, as I said, if you miss this first move up, don't despair because look what happened. It pulled back. That was a big pullback. And then all of a sudden, it started to move again. And you could have got into this trade probably in this area here. It's a low float situation, so you've got to be careful. But look what it did after that pullback. I mean, it went from 352 almost straight up to 476. Okay, so just like the BWV yesterday that I was showing, and that really did move later on. And I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen later on in the day. Maybe it's over. Maybe this is just another pullback and it'll keep going. But keep watching the ones that win and keep watching them for pullbacks if you miss that initial move. All right, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock.